It looks like the big toe's just been sort of added on at a convenient point. It's got this really
Budgie vs. Alexandrine Parrots.
arcing soul of good hair that doesn't feel real about it. This is not the foot of a bipedal animal.
Big fella's scared of him.
Efficient dietary in my opinion. If I will say this, that in any country I would not feel comfortable saying this is something that I believe to be a living, functioning then assesses the cast made
Trying to noddy bite his head off.
Hair.
This one has a more natural feel about it, but there are some
Cassie.
differences about it. There are a couple of factors here that make it feel that it is you're getting these very thick, studied toe prints.
Right. I'm not doing anything.
Prints of any of the bones that you'd expect to see in a ceramic, but the big toe coming off to the side. If this is a foot, it's not the foot.
It's a human zoo. I mean, animal zoo. They're not doing anything yet. Come on, Lemon. Do something exciting for YouTube. Bite me.
There's nothing concrete here telling me that
Yeah, big bird scared the little ones.
definitely from a new primate. There's just not enough evidence.
Yeah.
The quick casts appear to be controversial.
Here's the big dumb bird. Hang on.
Take it to Josh.
This makes for good viewing.
The bunny.